Welcome back. Today, we're delving into the intricate realm of content marketing, where strategy meets creativity. Join us as we explore the art of crafting content that captivates your audience, the various channels to amplify your message, and the crucial metrics to measure your success. Let's embark on this insightful journey together. Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of successful content marketing. It goes beyond demographics. It's about delving into the psyche of your consumers. How do they think? What are their pain points? Creating detailed buyer personas allows you to tailor your content to resonate with your audience, establishing a genuine connection that goes beyond surface-level engagement. Content is not just about information, it's about storytelling. In a world bombarded with information, your narrative sets you apart. Explore the power of storytelling, the science behind engaging headlines, and the art of weaving multimedia elements into your content. Learn to capture attention and hold it throughout the entire journey your content takes your audience on. Now that you have a masterpiece ready, the next step is getting it out there. The digital landscape offers a plethora of platforms: social media, email, blogs, and more. Dive into the nuances of each channel, understand the benefits of paid advertising, and master the art of SEO to ensure your content is not just created, but also discovered by your target audience. Consistency is key. A well-thought-out content calendar ensures a steady flow of content tailored to your audience's needs. Discover the delicate balance between evergreen and timely content. Learn the art of planning, scheduling, and adapting to trends, while maintaining a cohesive narrative that strengthens your brand identity. Learn to decipher key performance indicators, KPIs, and utilize tools that track website traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates. The iterative process of analyzing analytics and tweaking your strategy based on insights is the heartbeat of successful content marketing. Content is not a monologue, it's a conversation. Encourage your audience to participate, share their stories, and become part of your brand's narrative. Cultivate a community around your brand that goes beyond transactions. Learn how user-generated content adds authenticity and builds a sense of belonging. Elevate your content strategy by incorporating interactive elements. Dive into the world of quizzes, polls, and surveys. Explore the impact of webinars and live sessions in creating a dynamic two-way communication channel. Interactive content not only engages your audience, but also provides valuable insights for future content creation. Explore the art of content repurposing, maximizing the lifespan of your content by adapting it for different platforms and formats. Discover sustainable content creation strategies that ensure your message continues to resonate over time. By understanding your audience, crafting compelling content, and strategically promoting it, you lay the foundation for a robust online presence. Regularly measure your efforts, adapt to evolving trends, and continuously strive for improvement. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital marketing insights, and join us in the next episode.